Away, guys, good driving right around the outside, around the one way. A little bit of party time now. Vacant cars, room for you. Hey, all change and tickets to the big white ticket box if you get a ride. One way, guys, come on, no head-on bumping. That's your last warning. Vacant cars, room for you guys. Grab your change and tickets now. You're in good time. I all change and tickets to the big white ticket box. If you get a ride, grab your tickets. Foot on the pedal there. Watch out, mate, you'll get run over. Okay, guys, that's the next ride. Thank you for riding. Thanks for speedway driving. Over the exit gate. Exit left-hand side of the track. Vacant cars, room for you.